Well, welcome to this online revision session for AQA FP1, in which we will be looking at the June 2011 question 1 on Euler's step method. You can see we're told that we have a curve that passes through the point 3,2 and that its gradient at any point, dy by dx, is equal to 1 over the square root of 2 plus 3. And we have to use the step method with a step length of 0.5 to estimate the value of y at x equals 3. So we're going to apply the step method twice to get from 2 to 2.5 to 3. Now, there are two formulas we need to remember for this. Firstly, that any new value of x, xn plus 1, is xn just plus whatever the step is, because the step is how far you're moving in the x direction. And to calculate the new value of y, yn plus 1, you take the old value of y and add on h times the gradient. So if we call this the gradient function f of x, then to work out the gradient we have to calculate f at our value of x that we are starting from. That's xn. These are given in the formula booklet. Anyway, here we go then. So initially we know that our first value of x is 2. So our new value of x, so if we call that x0, then we know that x1 will be equal to 2 plus our step length of 0.5, so that becomes 2.5. So h is this value of this step, 2.5. Our initial y value is 3, so to work out our new y value we take the old y value and add on 0.5 times the value of the gradient at whatever the value of x is. So in this case we're going to multiply that by 1 over the square root of 2 plus our original x value, which is 2. And so what will that give us? Well, 2 plus 2 is 4, root of 4 is 2, so this is a half. A half multiplied by a half is a quarter, or 0.25, so this gives us 3.25. So we've now got our new value of x and our new value of y. So to apply the method again, we've got x2, so we take 2.5 and add on the step of 0.5, so this becomes 3. And then to calculate our new y value, we take our old y value, which is 3.25, and we add on 0.5, which is our step h, and then we calculate our gradient function at our new value of x, which is 2.5, so we've got to multiply this by 1 over the square root of 2 plus 2.5. So again, we'll just throw that through a calculator in some form, so this will become something like 3.25 plus 0.2387, and whatever you do here, don't ignore enough decimal places. Remember, we're wanting the answer here to 4 decimal places, so make certain you've got at least 4 decimal places, preferably more, or use the value off the calculator and add on the 3.25. And so your answer to 4 decimal places will be 3.4857. and I would always write 4 dp. Show the examiner you've actually answered the question. Okay, so where are we picking up the marks? Well, initially for a correct method here, that would give us 1 mark, and for a correct answer for that value of y, would give you an accuracy mark there. And again, for again applying a correct method for the second iteration of this, and for an appropriate calculation being done here, and then for stating an answer to the correct number of decimal places will give you the final accuracy mark at the end of that particular question. Well, hopefully you found that solution helpful. For more assistance with your maths revision, please go to the Further Maths Support Programme website.